Hi guys, Midnight Trinity here, and today we have another one of the magic mixlings. It's the one with the green dot. So we're gonna get right into it. Sorry, my camera is acting really stupid. I'm gonna do what I usually do and just cut this, but I always slap myself with a rubber band instead. So get rid of the trash. And so we have the stuff and the instructions. So for those who don't, so this is the Sparkle of Joy potion. So for those who haven't watched them before, so it says step 1, make sure it's on a flat base and remove this. And then it says take potion, pixling power elixir. So we've got the power elixir. And then it says of course it didn't cut open. So then it says lean it. Nope, didn't cut it enough. Excuse my cats in the background. So there's the power potion. And then step 2, or step 3, is fill the potion until it fills with water. So we've got that line. So we got that. And it says add a sprinkle of fairy dust. So it looks like we got the fairy today. So fairy dust. We can go 1, 2. No more fairy dust. That goes to the side. Then step 5 is this, the blue elixir. So then step 6 is add fairy wings. So there's the fairy wing. And then it says remove the golden ring to reveal the special power words, which are Magicus Mixus. Then it says turn the crystal gem till it stops. And then it says say the magic words, Magicus Mixus, and press down twice. And she's appearing. Oh my goodness, look at her. She's so pretty. And then it says unscrew the lid and pull the cylinder out. Making it drip, making it drip, making it drip. So, we got the pretty little fairy. Gotta So, here's the collection guide. We got Faye the Fairy Pixling. Her pixling power is joy. It says Faye uses nature's magic to make her heart blossom and make with happiness. Her power of joy flows from the warm breeze around her. Just a sprinkle of Faye's magic of joy potion will lift your spirits and smiles. And these are the ones you can collect. Unia, Dearly, Marina, Ember, and Faye. I have all of them except a dragon now, which is Ember. But this is pretty little Faye. I love her, like, her aesthetic. Oh, look at her little leaf in her hair. And she's like orange, pink, like look at the design, like it's leaves, and then she's got like leaves designs on her shoes, and then like a little leaf there, and she's got like little flowers and a flower molded on top, and she's got flower makeup. I love these. They don't got the inset eyes, but I do love them so much. And she's got little wings. But that is Miss Faye. Oops, we hit the camera. I hope you liked this magic mixes. This time doing it by hands. I know I've been doing a lot of my videos this way. This is going to be my setup for a while, so I do apologize if my change in style is either better or worse. I am trying to currently fix it. But me and Faye say have a nice day, and we will see you in the next video. And don't forget to comment down below what you would like to see. I always love to see comments, and so do all my dolls. But if you want to see something in particular, you can always tell me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye, friends.